Good day, everyone. So I am Titus Saltonberg Amul, and for tonight, I will present my invention called smart shoes. So in a modern world, technology continues to improve our daily lives. So from smartphones to smartwatch. So almost everything is becoming smarter. So I ask myself, why not shoes? Diba? So this is how I came up with the idea of smart shoes. A pair of shoes designed not only for walking but also for safety and healthy monitoring and convenience. So, ano nga ba ang smart shoes? So, smart shoes are high-tech footwear equipped with advanced features such as GPS tracking, uh, health monitoring sensors, step counter and calorie tracker, automatic night lights, and emergency alert systems. So these features are connected to a mobile application through Bluetooth. Yes, through Bluetooth lang po yun. So, ano nga ba yung purpose ng mga invention natin na yun? Kumbaga ano yung purpose ng ating invention? So, the main goal of SmartUt is to improve personal safety. And padalawa, monitor physical health. And patatlo, help parents track their uh, help parents track their children. So sa pang-apat, assist elderly people when walking. So for example, if a person suddenly falls uh, I mean na if a person suddenly falls, the shoes can automatically send an alert message to a family member. So paano nga ba gumagana yun? So inside the sole of the shoe, there are small sensors and a microchip. So the GPS tracker helps monitor location in real time. So the health sensors measure steps, heart rate, and distance traveled. So the lights automatically turn on in the dark areas for safety. So in case of emergency, pressing a hidden button will send a notification to emergency contacts. So the shoes are rechargeable and waterproof na po yun. So bakit nga ba importante yun? So today, many people experience health problem. I mean, many people experience health problems due to lack of exercise, other face safety risk while walking at night. So my smart shoes has a healthy lifestyle, personal security, and smart technology integration in daily life. So the invention combines fashion, technology, and safety in our safety in one product. So in the future, I plan to improve smart shoes by adding voice assistant integration, solar powered charging, AI walking pattern analysis, and self-adjusting size feature. So, in conclusion, smart shoes are not just ordinary footwear. They are smart companion for everyday life. So, with the help of technology, we can make walking safer, healthier, and smarter. So that's it. Thank you.